Here is your breaking news. There is these puppets and these weird fidget items that are trying to attack humans with fidget toys. As you can see, this one human has fidget toys and he is being attacked by all of them. Somehow, someone cast a magic spell on all the fidget toys and made all of them come to life. There seems to be a fidget monster that wants everybody to get attacked by fidgets. Fidgets are taking the world by word now. They're so crazy. Literally, the world is stormed with fidgets. So he wants all of the fidgets to attack the humans and cast a spell on them to make all the fidgets come to life and attack humans. And he is very, very naughty. So make sure to look out for this guy. Here is a clip of this one person getting attacked by fidgets and puppets. And somehow there's this puppet monster. He's been eating this human. Oh no.